Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your PC and selecting the storage type you need. First, free up or reserve at least 20 GB or the capacity you plan to sync. Next, choose between a local external drive, a NAS on your network, or a cloud provider like OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox. Pick one based on access needs and budget. Once chosen, create the cloud account or format and label the external/NAS volume and enable two-factor authentication for security before proceeding. Now install the provider's desktop sync client or map the NAS as a network drive in File Explorer. After installation, sign in and let the client initialize, then choose which folders you want to sync. Configure selective sync to avoid duplicating everything, set upload/download bandwidth limits if you have limited internet, and define file size limits for reliability. Once configured, start with a small folder to verify permissions and behavior, and make sure sync direction is correct so you don't overwrite local files accidentally. Finish by verifying full sync status and confirming versioning or file history is enabled so you can recover older copies. Schedule periodic backups or snapshots, local or cloud, to protect against accidental deletion. Document how to restore a file so you can act quickly. If something goes wrong, begin troubleshooting. Check your internet connection, confirm account permissions and storage quotas, and review the sync client's logs for errors. If needed, pause and re-authenticate the client, then resume to force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.